Hello everyone, this is Outscal's Math 2 project assignment, chess system, and here what we are seeing is there will be chest spawned if I press tab, and if I open the chest it will add scores. So here we did it. Now there are 4 types of chest: common, epic, legendary and rare. And if I click, I can see that there is a timer that's going on, and along with it there is a money that's reducing. And when it's done, we can collect it, and it will add some diamonds and coins. Same way we can get different chests. So these are rare, these are epic. Let's see. This one takes around 5 seconds, and it can collect it. And this takes 10 seconds. We can unlock it fast for 427 coins. You can confirm and you can collect it instantly. And same here. You can collect it at any time you want. Everything is scriptable objects, so it can be, details can be set. The red one is very hard to get, so we might not get it instantly, but there is also a legendary chest. I've used scriptable objects also for data containers, so the coin and the diamond are nothing but some data containers. So when the value inside them change, they invoke an event which is listened from here. Coin count panel, this is like just they read the data from here and display it. Same goes to the gems. It's very simple script. And there is also a generic, this is also a generic one. See, so it can read from any data containers and can register that and deregister it. Reason I've made this is to it's for faster. Like now I have an int data container, so I can instantly make a view data from int data container. If I have a float, then I can also get a float just by inheriting this, and just have to change here float and float and it will work. If I have a string, I can do the same. This way it's very easy. And this is the generic data container. I use these data containers and event channels in every single project because they are really handy as scriptable objects. There is a generic singleton as well. The chest has a small state pattern, but I didn't make it bigger because it wasn't needed. As we can see, there are states: empty, locked, unlocking, unlock. Then in the update only it's updating in this unlocking state. So it's a very basic state machine, but in this place it's not needed to go for more advanced. Yeah, the pop-up panel that's coming is absolutely separate. So this pop-up panel has, we can go here, we can see details, a message, check, cancel, OK, and confirm animator. And then it has 2 events. So then there are public functions. So query means it will show, it will make the pop-up panel down, and then it will activate cancel button and confirm button, but it will deactivate the OK button. And then in case of show message, it will show the OK button, but will deactivate the cancel and confirm button. So, and also when someone is calling this pop-up, they will also listen to the pop-ups query button pressed or pop-ups OK button pressed. So query button is those cancel and confirm button, and here we can see, and the OK button is just OK button. Once those are pressed, these methods will be called and this event will be called, and those who are listening this event will also get raised. You can see here the OK button is currently turned off because last time the pop-up was open. So this is the OK pop-up. You can see here OK button is now activated, and here is the OK button press. If we click it, it will go away and the listener will be called from this event on OK button pressed. Yeah, very modular and separate way, well documented. Link is in comment section. It's in GitHub. That's all. And obviously to make the chest I used a factory pattern, and this is the factory pattern. First of all, this is a generic factory that will take anything of T, which is an iFactory item. So any item in this project, these are a very generic way. I use these in every project to create things as a factory pattern. iFactory item is just an empty interface. It really doesn't have anything, and can never mind those. And yeah, then this just factory container contains all the different factories. This way we don't need to like it, if we want to add a new chest, we can easily add it in this factory. Just need to duplicate one of these and then rename it, and have to add a tag and to add a chest data. This way we don't need to write a new script or anything. We don't need to do. It will just be working automatically. So yeah, more about factory patterns and event channels in Scriptable Objects I have explained in previous videos as well. So feel free to check those out. Especially go to my Battle Tank game. I have renamed it as Ranger.